In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink in Adobe InDesign. If you've ever worked on a project in Adobe InDesign and needed to incorporate hyperlinks into your documents, you've come to the right place. Whether you're preparing an interactive PDF or simply linking to resources, this straightforward process will help you seamlessly add hyperlinks to your text or objects. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open the InDesign document where you plan to add your hyperlink. As always, make sure your document is saved before making significant changes. With your document open, our next step involves selecting the specific text that you want to hyperlink. To do this, use the Type tool. This is easily accessed by pressing the T key on your keyboard or selecting it from the Tools panel on the left. Once you've highlighted the desired text, it's time to move on to creating the actual hyperlink. To set this up, we're going to need to access the Hyperlinks panel. This is found under the Window menu at the top of the screen. Click on Window and a drop-down will appear. Here, you'll want to navigate to the Interactive section. In that list, you should find an option labeled Hyperlinks. Select that, and the Hyperlinks panel will open, providing you with the necessary tools to set up your link. Now, with the Hyperlinks panel open, your next task is to specify what type of hyperlink you want to create. InDesign gives you multiple options. You can link to a URL, a different page within the document, or even a file path. Depending on your needs, choose the appropriate type that would best suit your document's purpose. Once you've decided on the type of hyperlink, it's now time to enter the required details. If you're linking to a web page, you'll need to input the full URL. If you're linking to another page within your document, enter the page number. Similarly, if it's a file path, you would input that information here as well. Don't forget to pay attention to the appearance settings, such as underline or color of the hyperlink, which you can customize to better match the look and feel of your document. When all the necessary information is filled out, simply click OK. This action creates your hyperlink. You'll notice that the text or object you linked now has the hyperlink applied. It's always a good idea to preview your document or export it as an interactive PDF to ensure the hyperlink functions as expected. And there you have it, your text or object is now hyperlinked in Adobe InDesign. With these simple steps, linking external resources or other document sections has never been easier. Thanks for watching and happy designing.